Hello everyone, I'm Shubham Jain, an equity research intern at Insect Solutions. The topic for today's video presentation is uh, breaking into investment banking and tips for career changes. Now it has some common points to discuss. First one being research and network. Now the person who is willing to switch his or her career into investment banking from any other field, they must network and grow their friends or colleagues and network through some social media platforms like LinkedIn, Internshala, etc. And should try to research upon the industry of how what are the requirements and how they can switch their career in a drastic way. Next point is intentional. Next point is transferable skills. The person usually or must have to assess what are the transferable skills that he already possesses that can be used in an investment banking career, like strong communication skills, analytical skills, critical thinking skills that are a part of every job and can be used in investment banking as well. The next point is pursuing some certifications oriented towards career banking. Now this point includes professionalism and expertise towards investment banking by pursuing some professional courses and formal education towards the career. Next point is internships and apprenticeships. In this point, the person who is willing to switch into career investment banking must pursue some internships in order to gain some valuable experience that could eventually lead them to get a higher level job in investment banking career. Next point is tailored resume and cover letter. These are the most crucial steps in any application stage for an applicant. The person who is willing to apply for an investment banking role should highlight all the pointers that are relevant to the role and not relevant to some other industry. Like if someone is switching from marketing and sales to investment banking, the experience of marketing and sales is of no material use. The last point is persistence and determination. Now, if pursuing any career requires consistent efforts and determination within a person, that should come naturally and in a more sophisticated way that may lead him to higher heights. So, persistence and determination are the keys for an individual to excel in any field, be it investment banking or some other field. So these were some basic and vital points in how to break into investment banking when you are not from the same field, and these were some tips for career changes. Thank you.